All right, guys, 2015 Dodge Charger Hemi 5.7. Something a little different than what you guys are used to seeing here. It's got a Procharger in it. Really clean car look. Got custom wheels, tires. It needs that much rubber for it, you know, to hold with that Procharger in it. We'll show you guys under it. Factory converter, factory X pipe. It had some mid mufflers on it. We took them off, straight piped it in its place, 2.5. Then it's got two Corsa Extremes out the back on each side, right there and right there. There's the mid mufflers that were on it, the Corsa mids that we took off right there. We took them off to make it loud. And then he had his own custom tips put on. He's gonna change that diffuser. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna put some new tips on and make it look pretty for him. There it is, right there, RT. So with a mid delete and Corsa Extremes in the back. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Here we go, guys. Procharged RT. You can hear it. Oh God. Listen to this beast. Here's sound decibels. 117. 118. I love it. He likes revving it. Procharged. That's the one I would want. The more power, the better. Procharged. Oh, blacked out. Love the wheels on it. That's such good looking wheels too. Yeah, the deep dish. Wow. Listen to this thing. Wow. He's gonna change the tips later on, guys, so. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Guys, look at this thing. That is a beast right there. Wow. Procharger. You guys ever wondered how they fit on these Challengers or Chargers? Procharger on a Charger. Look at that thing. 5.7 Hemi. Very nice. Procharger on a Charger. I like that. Let's see if he gives us a nice drive off. Corsa Extreme rears, mid delete. There we go. This sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.